Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Array.entries method. So, in the array object, we have a method called entries. So, what it does is we need to remove all of this. Create a variable with var array1 equals make an array of string 1 A, B, and C. After doing that, what we're gonna do is create a variable called iterator, and what we're gonna do next is we will assign array1 dot entries method and make it equal to that variable. So after that we can entry inside its values with another logging directly. So you can directly do this too, but I will suggest do this so you can it's obvious though, that's why. Iterator 1 dot next. It's entries have a property called next and dot value, which will give you the index and the value of that element. So 2, it has geo 0 and geo 1a. So this is what it does. It will find that, and if we do the next, like go like next, and we can do another time iterator 1 dot next and dot value. When you do that, 0a and 1b, and the weird thing is they even returns an array. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next video.